Welcome to Grammar with Lily. How many word forms do you know? We have talked about 4 so far. Nouns, people, places, things, ideas, or even activities if it's a gerund. Verbs, action verbs, stative verbs, and helping verbs. Adjectives, they modify or add meaning to nouns. And adverbs, they modify adjectives, other adverbs, verbs, sentences. Did you remember all 4 kinds of word forms? All right, today we're going to talk about another group of words. But first, what are some habits that you have? Are any of these sentences true about you? The first sentence is true for me, but the others are not. Look at these words. These are examples of prepositions. What do prepositions do? They show how words and ideas are related or connected. This adds more information to a sentence, like a time or a place. I visit my family. When? On Friday afternoons. My grandmother talks. How? With me, on the phone. The students work hard. Which students? In my class. Oh, those students. I usually eat fruit. Why? For breakfast. What do you see after each preposition? So preposition, what comes after? With me, object pronoun. For breakfast, noun. In my class, noun phrase. These words, the pronoun, noun, or noun phrase, are the object of the preposition. What object do you want to add to this sentence? Vegetables are good for you, good for children, good for a healthy body. Any of these is a good object of the preposition for. Together, a preposition and its object are a prepositional phrase. That's a big word, isn't it? Remember, a phrase just means a group of words doing one job together. Where can we put a prepositional phrase in a sentence? Many places. Sometimes they come after a verb or after an adjective. Sometimes they are the object or complement of the sentence. Sometimes they're part of a noun phrase. Pause the video and see if you can find all of the prepositional phrases. Did you find them all? Okay, let's see where they're used. Talks with me. So after the verb. Good for you. After an adjective. The students in my class. Oh, it's part of the noun phrase that is the subject of the sentence. The new series on Netflix. Now it is part of the object noun phrase. Is in her house. Ooh, this one comes after be, so it is the complement, the subject complement. She gave me a beautiful gift. When did she do this? On my birthday. That's at the end of the sentence. It's adding meaning to the whole sentence of when she did this. On Friday afternoon. Oh, now it's at the beginning of the sentence. It's adding meaning to the whole sentence of when this sentence happened. Now notice on the last one, usually a sentence starts with a subject, right? But here we have some extra words, a prepositional phrase before the subject. So there is a comma to show that we added extra information at the beginning of the sentence. Prepositions are very useful words, and we can use prepositional phrases in many places in a sentence to add more information. Try using some today in your English.